Hello everyone, I'm Aditya Shahu and in this video we will explore how Forcepoint 1 CASB safeguards your data in Microsoft Office 365. This is part 1 of a two-part series with this video focusing on real-time protection using inline proxy controls, and the next part will cover our capabilities through API-based controls. We will begin by adding a Microsoft Office 365 instance as a managed application. Onboarding an application allows you to get visibility into all the user and data activities within the application and enforce granular controls to safeguard the applications. The process is simple and straightforward. Select the application, authenticate, and assign the required permissions. Now, let's begin with demo. We will cover the following use cases: enabling secure access to Microsoft Office 365 application, securing sensitive data going into and out of Microsoft Office 365, extending Forcepoint's industry-leading DLP to secure SaaS applications. The first use case will focus on enabling secure access to Microsoft Office 365. Forcepoint allows you to secure SaaS applications from both managed devices through Forward Proxy Agent and from unmanaged or personal devices through the agentless reverse proxy mode. Through the evaluation of several contextual elements such as user identity, device identity, time of day, geolocation, etc., Forcepoint enforces adaptive access controls to prevent suspicious and risky users from accessing the applications. Now, let's take a look at the access control policies. Here, we have set up a policy to restrict access to Microsoft Office 365 from a certain location. Let me try to log in through a managed device with the Forcepoint Smart Edge agent installed. First, we'll verify the device location, which is identified as being in the APAC region. Now, let's attempt to access the Microsoft Office 365 application. And as expected, access is successfully blocked. Now, let's try accessing Microsoft 365 from an unmanaged device. Forcepoint, through its powerful reverse proxy deployment, allows connecting to Microsoft 365 from non-sanctioned personal devices such as BYOD or third-party partner and contractor devices, while blocking access to unauthorized devices. When we try accessing Microsoft 365, the first thing you will notice is the URL being redirected through Single Sign-On or SSO. SSO plays a vital role in BYOD environments, enabling seamless access to corporate resources with just one login. Forcepoint provides flexibility by allowing integration with any SAML-compatible identity provider or leveraging its built-in SSO service. Reverse proxy, along with SSO, allows you to enforce context-driven access control and data protection policies for personal devices without the need for agent installation, making it a powerful use case for enabling the remote workforce. Now, let's move to the second use case on protecting sensitive data in Microsoft 365. Data loss is a major concern for any organization migrating to SaaS applications. While applications like Microsoft 365 are a great productivity enabler, they also expose organizations to various data leakage risks such as lack of effective DLP policies, data theft through unmanaged devices, malware or ransomware attacks, or data oversharing through collaboration tools. For this particular use case, we will cover the following scenarios: restricting the upload of sensitive financial data, blocking the download of sensitive data, scanning for and identifying malware hidden in files uploaded to Microsoft 365, masking sensitive information through the Teams, and ensuring compliance. All right, let's jump to the demo environment. Forcepoint 1 CASB includes over 190 predefined data patterns that help you to enforce regional and industry standards regarding PII, PHI, and personal financial data. Once you import one of these templates, they become available under DLP objects, and the same can be used in your data protection policies to remain compliant with global and regional data protection laws such as CCPA, GDPR, HIPAA, and more. Coming back to our data protection scenarios, here you can see the various real-time policies configured to protect data in Microsoft 365. Now, let's try uploading a file containing sample credit card numbers. So here we see a file with a bunch of sample credit card numbers. I'll go ahead and try uploading this file to OneDrive. As expected, the upload attempt was successfully blocked due to the policy we configured in the Forcepoint CASB portal. Now, let's validate the download scenario. Here's a file containing US Social Security numbers. Normally, we can allow sensitive data download to corporate sanctioned devices, but block such activities on unmanaged devices. Let's see the outcome of this attempt. As anticipated, the download is successfully blocked. This highlights the system's effectiveness in safeguarding sensitive information on unmanaged devices. Now, let's explore the malware scanning and detection capabilities of the Forcepoint CASB. To validate this policy, I'll attempt to upload a malware-infected file to OneDrive. As expected, Forcepoint promptly detects the malware and blocks the upload, showcasing its robust ability to safeguard against malicious threats. Finally, let's validate the sensitive information sharing through Teams. Here, we have two Windows-based desktops with Microsoft Teams installed, both running the Forcepoint agent. Let's test the environment by sending a sample credit card number from Windows Desktop 1. As demonstrated, Forcepoint CASB effectively masks the credit card number on the second Windows desktop, thanks to the Microsoft Teams policy configured in the Forcepoint CASB. This ensures sensitive data remains protected in the real-time communication. In addition to enforcing DLP through inbuilt capabilities, Forcepoint also allows customers to extend their existing on-prem enterprise DLP's policies to secure data in SaaS applications. This gives our customers the ability to continue to fully use all their current Forcepoint enterprise DLP capabilities and extend that same functionality to Forcepoint CASB with just a few clicks. All you need to do is upload the JSON file that enables the connection between Forcepoint CASB and Forcepoint Enterprise DLP Manager. Once the file is uploaded, you can verify the connection, and if everything is good, you will see a green tick box for successful connection, and that's essentially it. Immediately, all the previous configured policies and custom policies that current Forcepoint DLP customers are using can be applied and managed for SaaS applications from within the Forcepoint Security Manager. This capability allows us to protect data across multiple egress channels such as SaaS, web, email, network, and endpoints. This video showcased how Forcepoint CASB ensures real-time protection for Microsoft 365 by enabling secure access, safeguarding sensitive data, and ensuring compliance. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore API-based controls to further enhance security and compliance. Thank you for watching this video.